Hello guys, welcome to another video. In the previous video we can talk the common health problem in dogs. This video is the second part of common health problems in dog. So let's start. Anal sex infection. In this type of disease, dogs have two small glands on either side of their bottom, which produce a smell oily liquid that helps them to identify each other and to mark their territory. Your dog's anal gland usually empties naturally when having a poo, but if the gland becomes blocked, they can become infected, swollen, and painful, often causing them to squat on their bottom in an effort to relieve the discomfort. Sign of anal sac infection: a nasty fishy smell, dragging or squatting their bum, having an uncomfortable bum, changes in color of anal gland fluid. Again, next, diarrhea. Most episodes of diarrhea are not serious, but it is important to know when you should contact your vet and, if possible, vet the cows. Maybe a dog can have diarrhea for many different reasons, including stress, changes to their diet, and parasites. If your dog's diarrhea is accompanied by other signs, or if you are concerned about their health, then you should contact your vet for advice. Next, vomiting. Dogs like us are usually sick to help empty their system of anything difficult to digest, but sometimes it might be a sign of an underlying illness, health concern, or an indicator that something else is going on in this situation. It's important to know the difference between when to look after your dog at home and when to speak your vet of advice. Next, lameness. Dogs can limp for a number of reasons, including injury, trauma, joint diseases, or bone diseases. Limping can have a gradual onset or may appear suddenly. Long term issues such as hip dysplasia, elbow dysplasia, or arthritis tend to cause gradual onset of limping. Injuries, sprains, or fractures usually result in dogs suddenly limping. If your dog is limping and you don't know when, why, then it best to contact your local veterinary practice of advice. Next, arthritis. Arthritis is a common painful condition that is often most served in older dogs but can develop at any age. Heavier dogs and larger breeds are usually more likely to be affected. This condition is one of the main causes of chronic pain in our beloved pets and can be very debilitating diseases, greatly reducing of dogs' quality of life and ability to enjoy the most basic of daily activities. The arthritis is a very harmful disease. Now we can discuss the sign of arthritis include limping and lameness, stiffness, particularly after periods of sitting or lying down, wincing or yelping when moving or touch in the affected area, swollen area. If you worried about your dog's health, always contact your vet immediately. We are not a veterinary organization and so we can't give veterinary advice. But if you are worried about any of the issues right in the article, please contact your local vet practice for the further information. Thank you so much for this video.